What's up, guys? Mikey Turbos. Alright, so I got a package in the mail today from Your Compulsion, the one and only. Alright, so we just got the new rear rotors and the new rear pads. We're about to install those now. Little cold start. It was just raining. Okay, so these are the old rotors. Look at that. They are destroyed. And we're going to pair up these new rotors with some EBC brake pads. What? What's going on here, huh? What is this? Why do I have a mess in my trunk, huh? Unbelievable. Look at that. Bad rotors, extra oil, look at the wrench. Oh, man. Okay. So yesterday I did my brakes on my Abarth, and it's all finished. My brother Sal helped me out. I'm going to show you that video. Let's see. I want to give a huge shout out to my boy Jason. Okay, he's all the way in Florida, and he has an Abarth as well. We've been friends on Instagram for a while now, let's say. And he's a cool guy, let me tell you. He's always commenting on my videos, on my photos, always showing me love and support, and I appreciate that. Because, you know, it's the Abarth family, right? So there's a lot of drawing, a lot of artwork, okay? And I mean beautiful artwork. It's like I've never seen it before. It is professional, right? He's been following my YouTube channel for quite some time, and he asked me, he goes, Mikey, would you want me to draw your car? And I was like, what do you mean draw my car? And then he sent me a few pictures that he drew of other people's cars. And I was like, wow, I was impressed. And I was like, absolutely. And then the first thing I was like, how much do you want? You know, because I know it takes a lot of hard work, a lot of time, you know, a lot of hours, and today time is money, you know. So I was like, how much would you want for you to draw the picture for me, you know, your beautiful artwork, put your skills to the test, you know. And he says, absolutely nothing. I just want to show my love for you, for your car, you know, because I love being a part of the Abarth family, the Fiat family, right? And I was like, no, I gotta give you something, you know. Let me give you a few dollars and something, you know. He's like, no, really, you don't have to. I want to do it because I love what I do. Okay, I love enjoying making people happy, making them smile. You know, it brings everyone together, and it's just amazing, right? So, and I was like, okay, fine. If you're not gonna at least let me pay you to do the artwork, let me pay for the shipping, because it's coming all the way from Florida. Now I know that's not cheap. And again, he said, no, I don't want you paying for anything. Again, I want to do this because I love what I do. And I was like, fine. I was like, fine. I was like, okay, fine. Send it to me. And as he was drawing it, it took some time, because you know it's literally detailed. I'm going to show you this in a little bit, but it is so detailed. I couldn't even believe it. It is amazing. It's probably one of the best artwork I've ever seen in my entire life. Now, I'm no artist, but this thing looks absolutely phenomenal. So as he's drawing it up, he's sending me little teasers of each part of the drawing. So I'll be at work and he'll send me a picture, and I'll just start jumping out of joy because I'm so excited. I can't wait to get this photo. So he sends me the final photo, and I just couldn't believe it. I showed my friends, I showed my family. They were like, what? Can you tell him to draw me a photo of my car and everything? I'm like, whoa, no. He's my guy. So, let me show you this photo. It is absolutely mind-blowing. I had to get a picture frame for it because it's absolutely breathtaking. It really is. So let me tell you about the photo really fast. It's a photo of my Abarth, of me at Tail of the Dragon. Jason was a big fan of me at Tail of the Dragon. He watched all my videos. He commented on every single video. He liked every single video. And he was a huge fan. He drew me this photo, you know? Like I said, it took a lot of time, a lot of hard work, you know? And I want to make a video just for him. It's the least I can do. Alright guys, here we go. This is the photo. Look at all the detail he put in this artwork. Literally, look, I'm gonna point everything out. For one, we got the Dragon, 129 from Tail of the Dragon from Tennessee, okay? That alone right there looks absolutely breathtaking. Now, if we move over to inside the car, I don't know if you guys can see this. If we move to inside the car, I'm gonna zoom in, you literally see my Sparco racing seats, my Sparco R100 street seats, fully detailed. It looks exactly like my seats. Okay, now I'm going to show you what they look like in my car. Ready? Look at that. It's exact. Looks identical to the photo. His artwork, it looks down to the T. It looks exactly the same. Now, if you look behind the Sparco seats in the drawing, he's got the roll cage. See, over there and over there. And again, let's look at the inside of my car. Roll cage. Absolutely, it's the same. Okay. Now, if you look at the rims, as you can see, it says Evo Corso. Just like my rims do. The spokes are identical. The wording is identical. Okay. Now if you look here in the deep in the fender over here, it's my car. Look at that. It's my car again. Look, you even see the little lip. How sick is that? Right? What I really love is this. He actually got the Euro Compulsion decals that I put, the El Gato decal, the GoPro decal, more EC decals, all on the side of the car. Now if you look over here, he even got the Jolly Club. Okay, check this out, ready? See all that? Check this out. Even the Jolly Club. And not only that, but look at the detail inside the car. It's like the forest, right? The trees and the forest is in the car. It's like through it. It's like going through the car. How sick is that, huh? Look at that. EC over there. Right there. Right there. He drew my car perfectly. Even got the lip. Look at that. The Abarth sign in the front emblem. I mean, again, this artwork is absolutely amazing. I went out and bought that frame ASAP. I had to buy it because I didn't want the picture to get ruined. This is going on my wall. Hands down, going on my wall, in my room. I'm speechless. This is really a beautiful painting, and thank you again. If you want to follow his page, he goes by Mouseball. Okay. Hold on, let me go get my phone. All right, guys. So his Instagram, if that focuses, is Mouseball160T. Now you have to go follow his page on Instagram. He's a cool guy. He's great. Alright guys, please do me a favor, follow Mouseball on Instagram, okay? I'm gonna put his name up in the video so you guys can see it. His name is Jason. He's a really cool guy, so nice, super friendly. I mean, what else can you ask for, you know? It's Abarth Love, right? Alright, so once again, Jay, my man, thank you very much for drawing this beautiful picture. It is absolutely breathtaking. I'm speechless. Alright, so like I said, everyone, follow his page. He has amazing artwork. Maybe he'll draw something for you. Alright? But I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.